Hello, hello, hello. Here's a really quick video on how to delete or send a video to the trash from QuickTime Player. A lot of videos don't cover this, and I had a problem with trying to get rid of it, and I did a little research, and I'll show you real quick in about a minute how to do this. Okay, you're in QuickTime Player already up here. What you want to do is go to File. You want to open the file up, highlight whatever video you would like to delete. And what you're going to do is you're going to drag it all the way down here. And you're probably going to need two fingers. So you want to go start in the upper left-hand corner of your trackpad, push down, bring it over, and without lifting your finger up, use your other finger to get it back down into the area. Grab another finger, bring it down to the trash, and you're going to hear a sound. And that'll know that you trashed it. That's your sound. Okay. Now, to totally get rid of it, what you want to do is cancel that box out, open the trash, highlight what you just trashed, and hit the empty button right here. Hit empty. And confirm you want to empty the trash. And it's gone. Ta-da! If you like this video, give me a thumbs up and subscribe. I'm out of here.